Hi class, good day. My name is Teacher Guards, and today we're going to study and learn about the solar system, which is the family of the Sun and its 8 planet members. Plus, the solar system is made up of the Sun and its 8 family planet members. But today, let's first discuss about rotation versus revolution. Let's say this ball is the planet Earth and this flashlight is the Sun. Now when we say rotation, the planet moves around its own path, or what we call axis. The planet moves around its axis. We call this as the rotation. Now when the planet moves around the Sun, okay, the planet moves around the Sun, it's called revolution. You got it? Revolution. Now, the planets actually have their path or way when they move around the Sun, and that is called orbit. That is called orbit. So that we can remember the members of the 8 planets of the solar system, we have something that we can remember. It's called this one. My very educated mother serves us nuts. My very educated mother serves us nuts. It's called mnemonics. Say the word mnemonics. So this is actually a group of acronym so that we can remember the member of the planets. So we have M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, N for Neptune, and U for Uranus. So that is the acronym or the mnemonics. My very educated mother serves us nuts. Now to make sure that we remember the member of the planets, the Sun is the center of the solar system, and moving around it are the 8 planets. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, we have Neptune, and we have Uranus. So these are the members of the solar system, which is Sun is the center of them. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus. Now class, remember that these planets, they are actually grouped into 2 groups. There is what we call the inner planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Now these 4 are actually solid and rocky planets. On the other hand, we have Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. They are actually gas planets and there is no rock in their surface. So remember, we have the inner planets and the outer planets. Okay? Now let's focus on the 2 planets. We have the Mercury, planet Mercury. It is very hot during the day, and Mercury is the closest planet of all of them. Let's proceed to the second planet, which is Venus. Okay? Venus. Venus is the most hottest planet, at the same time the second nearest planet from the Sun. Venus is the brightest planet seen from the Earth, meaning we can see Venus from our planet. Alright, before we end the class, I want to make sure everybody learned today. I am going to ask 4 questions. Are you ready? Here we go. Which planet is the closest to the sun? Which planet is the closest to the sun? What's your answer? Correct. That is Mercury. Second question. What do we call spinning on its axis? What do we call the planets spinning on its own axis? What's your answer? It is rotation. Very good. Number 3. Can you please name one inner planet? Name one inner planet. Yes. Very good. That is Earth, our own planet. Last but not the least, which planet is the hottest planet? Yes. You got it. That is Venus. Okay, great job. Today we have learned about the solar system, the planets, and how they rotate and revolve, and the difference between inner planets and outer planets. Great job. Today we have learned about the sun and the planets and how they rotate and revolve around the sun and their own axis. Also, we have learned the difference between inner and outer planets. Alright, thank you so much for learning with me. Again, my name is Teacher Guards, and see you on our next class. Bye-bye.